Hello guys, you're watching the Payment Guide YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about getting the SWIFT code of Standard Chartered Bank of Thailand. The whole process of getting the SWIFT code of Standard Chartered Bank of Thailand is going to be explained in this video step by step. So watch the video till the end, do not skip any part of it. Before I proceed to the process of getting the SWIFT code of Standard Chartered Bank of Thailand, if you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. There's a link provided in the description box. By clicking the link, you will come to this page. Here you can see four boxes. The first box is to select the country, Thailand. So in this box, we will select the country, Thailand. You type here, Thailand. Now the second box is enable. And the second box is to select the bank. So here we select Standard Chartered Bank, Thailand. Now the third box is enable and the third box is to select the city. So here we select the city of Bangkok. The fourth box is to select the SWIFT code. As we click it, here you can see our SWIFT code. By clicking the SWIFT code, the all information about the SWIFT code will be provided to us. So let's click it. And here you can see our SWIFT code. Again, in the key information, the SWIFT code is provided here, the bank name is provided here, and the bank address is also provided here. So this is the method by which you can get the SWIFT code of Standard Chartered Bank of Thailand. See you in another video. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. Don't forget to like, share and comment.